Well, what do I have here? I've stumbled upon a WordPress plugin that promises to let us create custom WooCommerce product pages, archive pages, and other pages. It also offers size charts, wish lists, comparison tools, quick views, variation swatches, and multi-step checkout feature. And it claims to do that all for free. So I guess I have no choice but to take a closer look at it. Let's dive in. The plugin we're going to use today is called ShopPress, all-in-one WooCommerce add-ons for Elementor, the one you see on the screen right now. It's a fairly new plugin, as you see only active installations at the moment. And if you scroll down, then you'll see what is what here. And for free, you'll get custom single product page builder, you'll get a shop page builder, comparison table builder, you can create custom checkout page, cart page, empty cart page. Also, you'll get the quick view, you'll get the wish list, and you can create custom thank you pages. You can also create custom my account pages. You can add size charts to your site, sale countdowns. You can create custom loops and add an order tracking widget. Those are the free options. If you're interested, then there is also a pro version. This one here, if you take a look at the features, then you'll see what you'll get by purchasing a pro version. There is also a nice demo page. If you open it up, then you'll see what you can do with the plugin. You can browse the menu, browse the shop, see the product layouts, a single product layout. So, nice way to see what you can do with the plugin and the theme. If you would like to know what are the main differences between the free and the pro version, then there is a comparison table here. Just scroll down and take a look. The main difference is that with a pro version, you'll get more modules. That is, you can create quick checkouts, you can add sales notifications, you can modify your product gallery. There is a brands add-on. You can add pre-order option for your site. You can add partial payments and deposits. You can create cross-sell pop-ups, add order bumps, and add mini cart drawer. You can also create custom product pages and add custom product tabs. Those are the pro features. And now if we take a look at the pricing, you'll see that there are 3 pricing plans. One is for their team. They offer Kata theme. What is a Kata theme? As with the ShopPress, it has a free version and the pro version. In this video, I'm going to use a free version. And it's also a fairly new theme. In this video, I'm going to give it a go and test it a bit. So, if you need a pro version of Kata theme, then you'll get it for $29 for one website. And there are also lifetime plans here. If you need a ShopPress plugin, the one we're going to test in this video, then for one website currently it's $39. For 5 websites it's $99, and for 25 websites it's $199. And those are the lifetime plans. I have to point out though that those are the discounted prices. There is a launch sale campaign going on at the moment. It may be that later if you take a look at this video, then the prices are a bit different. And last plan, there is a bundle. You can purchase a bundle for these prices you see on the screen right now. And these are the lifetime prices. Okay, now when this is out of the way, let's take a look at how to use ShopPress. Now I already installed the free version and the Kata free version. Kata is a theme, so let's take a look at what happens here. There are a bunch of demos for you to import, and if you take a look at the free, then just click on the preview button and you'll see what is what here. If you need to import it, then just click on the import button, select what you would like to import, and it's gonna take 10 or 20 seconds. I already imported a demo. It looks like this one here. It has a shop and blog, my account, wishlist, and so on. If I would like to customize it, then I'm gonna go to the customizer and customize it as I like. Now, the main focus on this video is not on this theme, but I installed it just to test how does it work with the ShopPress plugin. The ShopPress plugin, although, works with every theme, so you don't have to use this theme. Now, if I go to the ShopPress, there is a dashboard. There are Woo templates, modules, import and export option, and help. If you need to use a help test, then click here or open up a support ticket here. Now I'm going to start with the modules. You can activate the ones you need or deactivate the ones you don't. I'm going to take a look at all of those here. First is a wish list. If you click on the configuration, there are general settings. You can set up the wishlist page, and just to demonstrate how does it work, I'm gonna go to the shop. If you go to the shop page, you can add the product to the wishlist here, or you can open up the product itself, add it to the wishlist, or remove it if needed. If you view the wishlist page itself, then it's here. You can add the wishlist to my account page menu. Let's do that. I can add the wishlist to the menu itself. I can choose a menu, display it as a drop down or as a drawer position left, and I can change the labels here. Wishlist button location on the single product page or loop pages, multi-wish list, and it's a pro version option. So let's save it. Now let's go back and see what are the my wishlist settings here. My wishlist view type, you can choose whether it's a table or a grid. Currently it's a table. If you would like to display it as a grid, then select it here, save it, refresh it, and now it's a grid. I like table more, so I'm gonna set it to the table. You can choose what fields you would like to display in the table, and you can rename the item labels here and set the thumbnail sizes. So let's go back, and there is an option for all wish lists. You'll see all the wish lists that are created by the users. Okay, back to the modules. This was a wish list. Now let's take a look at the comparison table. Choose a page, whether to display it as a pop-up or not. Let's test it. I'm gonna go to the product page. If I add it to the comparison table, then this is my comparison table here. But if I go to the shop page, and now let's activate the pop-up here. Let's save it. Let's refresh it here. I'm gonna remove it from the comparison table. I'm gonna add it once more. This is a pop-up here. Okay, I can change the label, change the remove label, and choose the button location from the drop down here. Let's go back, and now let's take a look at the quick view settings. Quick view is displayed here. This here is a quick view. If I open up the quick view settings, then there is nothing to configure, just the location and whether to add a social share. So let's go back and let's activate the variation swatches. If you don't know what are the variation swatches, then variation swatches is an option that allows you to display variations differently. So instead of the default drop down, you can display those as colors, or if I go back to my product attributes, you'll see that I have a color and size attributes. If I open up the size, I can choose whether it's a button, image, or a color swatch. This is done by the ShopPress. So, back to the modules, variation swatches. You can choose whether to convert the drop-down to label swatches, display tooltip, variation label, or attribute label. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, then don't forget to smash that like button down below here. It means a lot to me, and it also helps my channel. So, I would appreciate your help. Next one. Single product variation sales notifications, those are for the pro version. But size chart is available for free version. And what does it do? If you open it up, you can display it as a tab or as a pop-up. I like that tab more. I can set the priority here. In order to add a new size chart, click on add new button. You did open it up for editing. Select where you would like to display it, whether it's all products, some products, or exclude products. I'm gonna display it only for stone lamp product. Next, I'm gonna upload the size chart, select it here, enable it, save it. And now if I open up this product here and refresh it, then you'll see there is a size chart. If I open up any other product, for example, this one here, then no size chart is displayed. Next one, multi-step checkout. What does it do? I'm gonna go to the checkout page, and you'll see this is a multi-step checkout page. There is also a Shopify style checkout. If I deactivate this one and save it, let's refresh it, then this is your multi-step checkout page. You can choose whether to remove billing or shipping address lines or display billing and shipping steps together. Under the Shopify style checkout, you can choose whether to display the phone number, whether to display the menu on the bottom. I choose bottom footer menu to be shown over there. If I save it once again and refresh it, then you'll see this is my menu and this is my phone number here. Okay, back here and see what is happening next. What else do we have here? Brands, it's a pro module. Let's take a look at the rename label module here. If you need to rename the shop labels, add to cart button, single cart text, checkout pages, you can do it here. There is a back order module. You can use this module to let the customers order products that are out of stock. Some options here. Next, flash sale countdown. You can display the flash sale countdowns. You can override the sale prices. You can display it on the product page and the position, whether it's before or after. And there is your flash sale countdown event here. Choose products or categories, whether it's all categories or only some categories. Discount type. You can choose whether to apply this only to registered customers. You can choose the schedule. If you activate it and go to the shop, then you'll see all the discounted prices over there. At the moment, I'm going to deactivate it, and let's move to the other ones. Pre-order, cross-sell, pop-ups, and partial payments. Those are the pro modules, the same with the order bump. Now, menu cart. Let's activate it, save it, let's configure it. What is a menu cart? I can display it as a drop-down or drawer. If I choose this icon here, save it, and go to my site, then the menu cart is this one here, and this is a drawer. So easy way to add a menu cards to your site. Next one is a mini cart drawer, pro version, sticky add to cart. Let's activate it, and we can choose whether to hide it on mobile or not. So what does it do? Let's go to the shop page, open up the product, and if you see sticky add to cart is down below here. If you would like to deactivate for the mobiles, you can do it here and save it. Next is mobile panel. What is a mobile panel? I'm going to open up my site on a different devices, and you'll see that this panel down below here is the mobile panel. You can delete items, you can clone the items, and you can choose what to display here or there. Small and a nifty feature. Next one is single Ajax add to cart option. Nothing to configure here. I'm just going to activate and save it. And what does it do? As you see, currently if I click on add to cart button, the page is refreshed. But if I activate Ajax add to cart button, then this happens. The page is not refreshed and product will be added to the cart. Next, user notifications. Those are the notifications on your My Account page, and you can activate or deactivate those here. And last one is a catalog mode. What does it do for you? If you activate it and save it, now if you refresh the page, you'll see that that add to cart button is hidden. Or if you would like to use your shop as a catalog and you would not like to sell anything using your checkout page, then activate the catalog mode. At the moment, I'm going to deactivate it. And those were the free modules. But as I said earlier, there are a bunch of pro modules you can use. In this video, I'm not going to show those because I would like to keep this tutorial as short as possible. But you'll get the sense what you can do here or there. Earlier, I said that the plugin allows you to create custom WooCommerce pages with Elementor. That is, you can create single product pages, shop pages, and so on. So let's see what is what here. For example, if I activate the custom single product pages, nothing happens by default. I have to configure it. This is my single product page here. It has been activated. If I click on edit button, the Elementor opens up and I can create my own custom single product pages in a way I find suitable. If you look at the left, you'll see all the Elementor widgets for a single product page, and all those are from the ShopPress plugin. ShopPress states that currently they offer 100 plus different Elementor widgets. You'll see those are for the single product pages, and there are also a team related widgets. As you remember, we installed the Kata theme. Those are the widgets for the Kata theme, for the pro version, and so on. Now, if you're familiar with the Elementor, then you know what to do. Just drag the element in a place you would like it to be. Those are your styling options, but pay attention that with the ShopPress, you'll get dozens of extra customization options. If you open up, for example, the wrapper here, you'll see background, display, size, spacing, border, position, shadow, and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna go over the settings here because it would take a really long time. But once again, if you need to create custom single product pages, then you can do it for free with this plugin here. Now I'm gonna exit the page and let's see what other templates do we have here. Before I do that, a couple of other things. If you need to deactivate it, you can do it here. If you need to delete it, just use this button. If you need to create a new one, then click on add new button, give it the title, and you're good to go. Back to the templates. Next one is a shop template. Let's open it up and let's customize it a bit. For example, for the shop page, I have products widget, filters widget, and archive title. The products widget has been added. There is a template I can use. I can activate infinite scroll or load more button and button or icon text. Once again, styling options are here. Let's add a filters widget, and as you see, by default it's opened and it doesn't look as good as it should. Therefore, I'm gonna activate as a drawer. What does a drawer do? I'm gonna update and go to my shop page. You'll see this is a filter drawer. If I click on it, this is my filter. What else? If I open up the filters down below here, then I can add a clear button. I can reorder the filters, delete the filters, or add items. I can choose what I would like to display inside the filters. So, really easy way to create filters for your site. This was the shop template. You can customize a wish list template. You can create your own checkout page. Let's see what happens here. Let's configure it, activate it, save it, and edit it. You'll see that for checkout page, you have additional fields: form billing, login form, coupon form, order review, payment, and form shipping widgets. Just drag it here and done. Form billing and done. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that at the moment. I like my previous checkout template, so deactivate, save it, back to the templates, and let's take a look at the archive template. Let's edit it, and in a similar way I did it before, I'm gonna drag a filter widget, set it as a drawer, update it. If needed, I can customize it as I like, but I'm gonna skip this part for the future. Next one, product loop. And what is a product loop? It's a one item that is displayed on your archive pages. So if you would like to customize how does this one here look like, then you can customize it with a ShopPress. And let's see how to do that. I'm gonna open up the products loop. As you see, there are a bunch of product loops already created here. Now, I have to go one step back though, because if I go to the shop page and if I open it up, previously I showed you how to choose a template, but these are the loop templates you can choose from. For example, if you would like to display products like this or that, then you can choose it here. And if you would like to change the loop, then open up the one you would like to change, for example, the shop loop. And this is the way the one product is displayed on the archive pages. Those are the loop widgets, title, price, and so on. Just drag it where you would like it to be, add columns, sections, product titles, prices, and so on and so forth. Customize it, save it, and later choose it under the templates. Easy peasy. Next one, you can customize a My Account page. Let's do that. Let's save it and let's configure it. My Account page, dashboard, orders, account details, downloads, addresses, user notifications, and wish lists. Every tab can be customized separately. For example, let's open up the orders, activate it, save it, edit it. I'm gonna drag something random here, add some random product collection, update it. And now you open up my orders page, you'll see that this is the one I just created. I'm gonna close it down, deactivate it, save it, refresh it, and now my regular orders tab is displayed. Once again, this way you can customize all the tabs displayed on the My Account page, and you can customize the My Account page separately. In a similar way, you can customize the empty cart. You can customize what is displayed inside the quick view. At the moment, product information is displayed. If you would like the description to displayed, just add it here. And in a similar way, you can customize thank you pages and compare pages. If you know how to use Elementor, then it's not hard. just drag and drop, point and click, and boom, done.
Wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here, and take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.